balls.
I know.
Okay. Just be gentle.
No, he can post. He posted them on Facebook. I'm gonna tag them. Tony can tag them and post them on Facebook. And I'm gonna be pissing Esther off. And he's gonna be pissing him off. So she'll see them. We gonna be pissing everybody off.
I can't tag on my phone. I never figured out how to do it.
Well, I can tag on my computer.
No, well, yeah, it's on the computer.
I
got a Windows phone. There's a way to do it. I just haven't figured it out.
How we got that to tell them?
How?
You type out the person's name, first thing. And if it doesn't bring it up, you erase a couple letters and it'll bring it up.
Mine don't do that.
Yes, huh?
No, it doesn't.
Get on my computer, sign in under you, get on.
Use the app, it'll do it. Stop using the web version.
I always use the website because the app wants too much information.
Or get on get on my computer or something or another and sign me out, sign you in, and go back to your business that way.
Ever since I found out.
He won't log on anybody's computer with his stuff.
No. Because, no. It ain't like, I just don't like people having access to my shit.
As long as you don't save it.
She's done hacked all my shit.
Love my wife.
Huh?
What?
What?
I said I love my wife.
Only because he used the same password he used for something else. So it's pretty easy to figure out.
I don't want to hear nothing out of you, hacker's dream. She is a hacker's wet dream, I'm telling you.
No, I've changed my password on a lot of sites.
So have
I know.
Oh, you've been trying to hack me, huh?
I ain't been trusting them. Do whatever the hell you want.
Is that right?
Not really, but what can I do? Spiky dog.
Spikers! We do it, Spiky! A good girl. This dog loves me.
Such a mellow creature. And a pain in my ass.
Her's a good girl.
You wouldn't think that if every day you walk in a room and she's laying on her side of it. I don't know how she manages to get in my room when I ain't home. I think she hides out underneath the bed till I leave.